I saw a monkey was knocking on the window. He was calling for us to open the door because there was a banana inside the door. So here he is.
Look, he found the banana. Look how cute he is.
He's eating my banana.
Sorry.
He's so cute. Who has that light? Oh, where's the flashlight?
Oh, it's down the bottom. Oh no.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Put it up there, Hal.
Shit, he might bite me for trying to
Here,
steal
here,
it.
there's a new one. There's an open one. Oh, here it is.
You're right, shoot the hell out of that.
Bring it up.
Baby, bring it up. He's not gonna bite you.
Yeah,
Baby.
do it.
I'll do it. Move. Chicken shit.
Does he have a name?
Chewbacca.
Diddy.
Baby, shine here. Don't shine in his face.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, there you go. That's so funny. He saw the banana through the window.
Probably smell the banana.
You suck.
He's so cute. He's gonna be so full.
Oh, it's like a little human.
You don't want him in your pants, Lim?
No. Oh, he eats a peel?
I think he's trying to get it open.
I thought I saw him swallow it.
It's kind of like how we chew up chicken bones and spit it out. We just want the...
Okay, he's going on YouTube. Yeah, it's like a little human.
I don't think he cares about your water, Lim.
No. Get out the way.
I'm so hungry.
You probably didn't eat all day. That little guy?
He ate my lunch.
You have to feed him. He's a pet.
And then would you finish that banana for $10?
No.